If you're considering buying into Trading Passion, you'll want to stick around for this quick rundown of the 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. Trust me, this will help you avoid making costly mistakes and let you make the most out of your trading experience. First off, Trading Passion stands out for its clean interface and user-friendly design. In the crowded world of trading software, a seamless experience makes all the difference, and this platform delivers. While some competitors may overwhelm you with a complicated dashboard, Trading Passion keeps things simple. This means you can get started with minimal learning curve, but don't let that simplicity fool you. There's a lot of power behind the scenes. Next thing to know is that Trading Passion offers incredible analytical tools. Many traders look for software that goes beyond just placing trades and offers insights into market trends. With this platform, you get access to data visualizations, charts, and even AI-driven insights that can help you predict market movements. It's a huge advantage over more basic platforms that might leave you guessing. The third thing that makes Trading Passion stand out is its community. Sure, most platforms claim to offer social features, but Trading Passion truly excels here. You can connect with other traders, share tips, and learn from a supportive network of professionals. Compare that to other platforms where the community often feels like an afterthought. Trading Passion really does put the emphasis on fostering an active, helpful trading environment. The fourth thing to consider is its mobile app. Trading Passion's mobile experience is one of the best I've seen in the industry. Whether you're on a coffee break or commuting, you can still keep track of your trades, manage positions, and even receive real-time alerts. Many platforms either neglect mobile optimization or make it feel like a watered-down version of the desktop, but Trading Passion delivers a robust mobile experience that's as functional as the full desktop version. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. You might find some trading software that's free or cheaper, but be careful. Often these platforms come with hidden fees, limited features, or unreliable data. Trading Passion's pricing structure is transparent, and they actually offer a really good deal for the value. Not only do you get access to all the tools you need, but you can try it for free to see if it's the right fit for your trading style. That's a rare offering in this market, where many services lock you into expensive plans without giving you a real taste of what you're getting. The sixth thing is the customer support. When you're dealing with real money in the market, there's no room for delayed responses. Trading Passion offers solid customer support with live chat, email, and even a dedicated account manager for higher tier plans. While other platforms might take days to resolve an issue, Trading Passion is fast to respond and really takes care of their users. The seventh thing you need to know is the security measures in place. With your financial data at stake, you want to make sure the platform you choose takes security seriously. Trading Passion uses encryption and two-factor authentication, so your account and information are protected at all times. This is something you'll want to check with any trading software, but not all platforms offer such comprehensive protection. If you're looking to try out Trading Passion and see for yourself, you can do so completely free through the first link below. And trust me, you'll want to. This offer comes with exclusive benefits and access to the platform's best features, so don't miss out. If you're serious about trading and ready to give Trading Passion a go, just click that link below and sign up for your free trial. You'll be one step closer to mastering the markets with a tool that helps you trade smarter, not harder.